Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Grid X2 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you can press the back button right here to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called General Settings and tap on it. And here, scroll through the menu, find the Display Brightness option, and once you find it, tap on it of course. And as you can see here, we have 3 levels of brightness. We have low, medium, and high. Select the one you like by tapping on it, and it will be applied. And then you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.